Dear students, today we discuss about apiculture. Apiculture is a rearing of honey bees, collection of honey and wax from them. Apiculture is a rearing of honey bees, collection of honey and wax from them. So apiculture is a practice we are practicing centuries together. Our ancestors practicing centuries together. In olden days, people depend on forest for honey, but nowadays the production of honey because the cottage industry and provides employment opportunities for many people, especially the practicing of apiculture done by the tribal people or which lives in the forest. Generally, this activity done by natural phenomena. So in the nature, the different honeybees are producing the honey, and these honey collected by the tribal people, and these productivity transport to the plain areas, and in that plain areas there is a very good market for to this honey. As the apiculture has a great historical background, as the apiculture has a great historical background, there are many species of honeybees for rearing, but out of them, more than beneficiary species that are producing more honey get selected. So, number of nearly 20,000 honeybee species are there, but 5 species are suitable for culture. 20,000 honeybees are there, but the 5 species are suitable to culture. They are Apis dorsata. This honeybee is called rock honeybee. Apis dorsata is also called rock honeybee. And second one is Apis serena indica. This is Indian honeybee. Or Apis serena indica is called Indian honeybee. And third one is Apis florea. This is called little honeybee. Apis florea is called little honeybee. And fourth one is Apis mellifera. This is European or Italian honeybee. Apis mellifera, or it is also called European or Italian honeybee. And fifth one is Tetragonula iridipennis. This is Dormer bee. Tetragonula iridipennis. This is Dormer bee. First one is Apis dorsata. This is called rock honeybee. This is commonly called as rock bee or giant bee. This is commonly called as rock bee or giant bee. This is social insect belongs to order Hymenoptera. The social insect belongs to order Hymenoptera. So why these insects are called as social insect? And these all Apis dorsata or honeybees living together in a beehive, nearly 50,000 to 1,50,000 honeybees. They can live together. They can form a colony. They are predominant in forests of Central Asia and Southern East Asian countries. They are predominant in forests of Central Asia and Southeast Asia countries, Himalayan region of our country. So especially the Apis dorsata present Himalayan region of our country. The length of the body is 17 to 20 millimeters. The length of the body is 17 to 20 millimeters. They constant comb in open areas and some of the times to buildings. Generally, they can construct the comb in open areas, and sometimes they can make the honey hive at buildings, especially the old and traditional buildings. This type of bees are usually wild in nature. This type of honeybees we are observing usually in nature. They are ferocious and always ready to for fighting. They are ferocious. So we have to see in the diagram Those honeybees are ferocious and they are always ready to fight with its enemies. The honey and wax collected from them by tribal people by hunting, rearing them very difficult. The honey and wax collected from the tribal people by hunting and rearing it is very difficult. 1 to 25 kgs of honey get collected from a single comb. 1 to 25 kgs of honey get collected from a single comb. So this is about a giant rock bee or Italian honeybee. So in the diagram, in the first diagram, the giant honeybee collect the nectar from flowers, and second diagram is honeycomb or hive, and third diagram also the number of honeycombs are present on one plant, and this is about colony. Here the worker and queen and worker and drone and worker and queen, three types of bees we observe this apis dorsata. And second one is Apis serena indica. Apis serena indica. So this is Indian honeybee. The Apis serena indica is Indian honeybee. Its order is Hymenoptera. Its order is Hymenoptera. It is similar to European honeybee. The Apis serena indica is similar to European honeybee. Besides these are wild. Besides these are wild, but we can rearing them. So although these are wild, but we can rearing, we can culture. These are mainly present in India, Nepal, and other Asian countries. These are widely used in India for culture. So the Apis serena indica widely used in India for culture. They live in trees and also in artificial hives constructed by human beings. They live in trees and also in artificial hives constructed by the human beings. In Kerala, highest rearing in India. So the Apis serena indica culture takes place highest Kerala in India. Of about 2.5 to 4 kgs of honey may be collected from a single comb. 2.5 to 4 kgs of honey may be collected from a single comb. So this is Apis serena indica, and this is the diagram of the Apis serena indica, honeycomb. Okay. So next, Apis florea. Apis florea, commonly called little bee or dwarf bee. So this is commonly called little bee or dwarf bee. Its order Hymenoptera. The Apis florea order is Hymenoptera. Mainly seen in Central and Southeast Asia. Mainly seen in Central, Southeast Asia, Central Asia and Southeast Asia. It is discovered in the 18th century. It constructs small honeycombs. It discovered in the 18th century. It constructs small honeycombs. The length, if the body of bee is 7 to 10 mm size, and but brown reddish color. So it is a brown reddish color. These are not harmful, so easy to rearing. So these are not harmful. It is very useful for rearing. 1 to 2 kgs of honey collected from honeycomb. 1 to 2 kgs of honey collected from comb. And the third one is Apis mellifera. So this is a diagram of Apis florea, little honeybee. And next one is Apis mellifera. This is called European bee or Italian bee. This is a social insect. Its order is Hymenoptera. These social insects, its order is Hymenoptera, and these are released certain chemicals called pheromones. These uh, the honeybees release the certain chemicals are called pheromones in order to communicate with other organisms of the colony during food collection. Generally, these honeybees can perform two types of dance. First one is round dance, second one is waggle dance. So, this dance or this behavior discovered by the Carl Van Frisch for his great work. He got the Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize, especially the communication of the insects by its releasing of chemicals, especially pheromones, geraniol, bombicol. These are the pheromones released by these honeybees. And this is about Apis mellifera diagram. It is also called European honeybee, and it produces a great honeycomb. We collect more honey from these bees during the winter based on number of bees in the colony. Especially during the winter, we can collect the more amount of honey or from these honeybees. We may collect 10 to 25 kgs of honey from single comb. We can collect 10 to 25 kgs of honey from single comb. So this is about Italian or European honeybee. This is the largest and greatest honeybee. It is very suitable to culture. It is very suitable to culture. And Tetragonula iridipennus. Tetragonula iridipennus. They belongs to group Tetragonula and order Hymenoptera. They are predominantly present Indo-Malaya region, especially in Indonesian archipelago. These are inhabited of Indonesian archipelago, and they were first identified in Sri Lanka. Currently, they are more in India. First, they are identified in Sri Lanka, and currently more in India. Colony of honeybee. So, honeybee colony. Now, these are the best example for social life. These are the best example for social life. They live in colonies. Each colony, three types of insects are seen. They are queen, drone, and labor bees. In colony, three types of honeybees we are identified. First one is queen, second one is drones, third one is worker bees. Queen. Only one queen is present for each colony. Only one queen is present for each colony. Due to consumption of royal jelly, the queen is comparatively large in size to other bees. Due to consumption of royal jelly. So, due to consumption of royal jelly, the queen is comparatively large in size to other bees. The main function of queen is laying eggs. So, royal jelly is a special substance. This substance has high amount of proteins. High amount of proteins. By the consumption of queen, generally the queen size is very large, and the queen main function is to lay the eggs. And drones, these are the male bees. Approximately 200 to 300 drones are present in colony. The drones are in colony, 200 to 300 drones are present, and the main function of the drone is mating with queen and producing eggs. This is about the colony of function of this drones. Third one is labor bee. Approximately 20,000 to 60,000 bees are present per colony. The main function are collection of nectar and preparing honey. The main function of these labor bees or worker bees to collect the nectar and preparing the honey, and construction of the hive and protecting it. So the worker function is collection of nectar and producing the honey, its abdomen, and construct the honeycomb or hive and total colony protect the total colony. These are the labor bees and bee equipment. Generally, some equipment used in apiculture. Those equipment is called bee equipment. Apiculture needs some equipment in order to production from apiculture. We use this. They are beehive. This is important equipment in the apiculture industry. Beehive, it is one of the important equipment used in apiculture industry. In general, they construct the hive on their living places like trees and buildings, but in the industry of apiculture, artificially constructed with wood. So in apiculture, the hive artificially we are constructing. Inside the hive, construct square-shaped chambers, produce wax modified with the nectar into honey and stored. So here the square-shaped chambers are we are preparing in the beehive. In that beehive, the honey bees are released the honey and cover with some propolis, and they lays eggs in the hive. So the hive also used for laying the eggs. And the frames, this is an important insert in the hive. These are also made up of wood. This is a square shape divided into many chambers. So this is frames. And smokers, this is the instrument used during the collection of honey after the formation of honey in the hive. This is the instrument is used during the collection of honey after formation of honey in the hive. Smoke is formed with the help of instrument. Honey will collected after sending out the bees from hive without uh, loss of the honey bees we can collect, or without harming the honey bees, and we can collect the honey from by the smoke. We are using different smokers. So we are observing the diagram different smokers. And hive tool, this instrument is used for capturing the hive and the collection of wax from hive. So by the hive tool we can collect the wax. And next, queen catcher. Queen catcher, the prior to collection of honey from hive, this instrument is used for catching the queen bee. Prior to collection of honey from hive, this instrument is used for catching the queen bee. So this is called honey catcher. So this is the instrument used in apiculture. So next, functions of honey. Honey is the best food for the people, and to the honey has more amount of fructose, and this fructose very useful for especially human beings. It's a very excellent food. When the persons are suffering from different disease, the persons unable to take the proper diet, or the persons whenever they are facing different diseases, so we are the honey add to the water, then only we have to take the that water. And sometimes we have to take the honey with lemon. It is very useful for the patients. And the honey also used for antiseptic, and honey is used in different jams and jellies, and honey used as an antiseptic. And uh, next one is the wax is used for different preparation of waxes, and